Know why you say goodbye, say hello, 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 hello. You said hi, I said low. The people think I'm mad, you know. I'm talking to the doorbell now. Over and out. Moo.
Wait a
I'm
minute.
not a cow.
Dad, do it again. Do it again.
Hello there.
No, Dad, keep it
Hello,
up.
hello.
No, up to
What?
the camera. Daddy, put up to the camera.
Oh.
Right,
Hello,
right
Leroy.
now. Right now.
Hello, hello. I don't know why you say goodbye, I say hello. You said hi, I said hello. You said why, I said I don't know. And the people think I'm mad, talking to the door. So I won't say anymore. Enjoy yourself. Have a good night. I'm coming there. We may be going over wells tonight. Hold out. You're not getting any more, you don't pay for it.
Hey, Dad.
I'm glad I stopped. There's two blokes walking over here.
Daddy,
Did you watch
Hello. Did you watch that video of my van?
Oh yes, I love that
Nice,
song.
isn't it?
Yeah, I love it.
Did you listen?
I just sing. I didn't in the channel. The woman asked me to stop because you are.
Oh, pardon me.
I'm
You
gonna
did
stop
watch a
now,
video
yes.
on Mommy's phone?
Yes, I did.
Ah.
Yeah, and the two blokes because they don't look at me stupid. That's the daughter. The daughter on the phone. On the phone. On the big doorbell. Oh, tell him. If I didn't look you lot out there. I'm
Mommy
just
gone?
checking who I'm coming. You are?
Where's Mommy gone?
Oh, she's gone to shame. She's running out. Dana! Hang on. Dana! Oh, fuck. She thinks she's royalty. She's on the throne.
Check it, someone's coming.
We leave you go now, then.
Enjoy
Right
the
you are.
food. Enjoy Sunday Club.
Yeah. Where's Mommy to
Well, if you
some?
want, we go. Oh, Dana, you come in. Oh, yes, she is. Yes, she is.
Right. Right. Mommy, Mom,
That's the best laugh of the day.
Mommy, put your head up against the camera. But look at us.
With my head.
Yeah, your face. Do it again. Do it again. Do it.
And I done that. The boy ran past the door.
Mommy, do it again. Do it again.
No, you're going to take photos.
No, we're not. Just one more time, and then we say goodnight. Go on. Right to the camera. No.
I am looking at the camera.
Put your face up to the camera.
Where are you now when you look?
Two of you do it together
Where are you?
before we go. Two of you do it right up to the camera. Closer. Closer. You should have seen that.
All right.
Right, okay, have a nice time in the spoons.
My connection's going.
Oh, I'm waving.
All right, so long.
Tra!
Hey.
Tra!
So,
Tra!
That's how you gone.
No,
What are you doing? Where did you go?
I thought you gone.
the signal has gone.
have a nice afternoon, night in the spoons.
Thank you, love.
All right, Tra!
Have a nice time in raining holidays in Spain. I can't believe we're talking to a doorbell in Spain.
She not. She on the phone, she.
She's in Spain.
I know, you aren't on the phone in Spain.
Well, of course she's on a doorbell.
That's what you said. That's what you said. Can't believe you're talking to doorbell in Spain. Oh, I'm going. One or two of us are cracking up here.
Bye, Tra! Enjoy!
Enjoy dinner, love. Dinner on.
Oh, they're like a bunch of numpties, Lee.